All right, back we go. January 31st, checking out the small caps, some higher price caps too. Um, Trying to do 20 videos today. Can I do it? Will I drop over? I'm trying to make them about 10 minutes. Yeah, just recaps, see where we're going from here. If I can do 20 videos, it'd be pretty insane. Because you got to download the video. I don't really edit it. This isn't like a production. So we'll see how it goes. It's snowing here. I'm in Philadelphia. They're expecting 8 to 12 inches. So, there's not much to do today. It's not like I'm going to the beach or anything. So, there we go. Calithra Biosciences, 69 million float, 205 million market cap. No recent news. Clinical stage bio, focused on development of molecular drugs against tumors, metabolism, treatment of cancer. All right, so they get a lot going on. Yeah, recently this dropped. You can see the broader view on this. See this back and forth? Big range from 7 to 250. You would have dropped to 250 in October. This thing rocketed up to 8. And then it came back down. They go up and down pretty fast in months. This bounced again. And then, try to hug the 7 line. It didn't work. Came back to 350. And then this one to 6. And then a nice little run here. And then we dropped off. So we dropped off in January. Found a move here, an oversold play. Every time you have an oversold play, sometimes it goes to the gap right away, the bottom of the gap. Then we move up. So it made a nice candle here towards 350, but the EMAs are coming down, sort of blocked it off. They weren't ready to push it up. Where we are now, it's coming back near this 3 line. You got great support at 250. Look, going back for years, 2017, 250 is a big, big support level. That's why this was here and then it held. So it's good and bad news. Good if we fall back to 250, it'll be a great buy. Yeah, if we get a 3 here, or maybe what's 275 and bounce, then retest. See, we have the low here up. You want a higher low. So if this comes in the 3, and then we can bounce the 375, I'll look towards that. So we have a few scenarios, either down and bounce, might bounce right here at 275 and come back up, or maybe even next few days. And then we can get into that gap, and eventually I think we get back to 5. This might take time on this one though. All right, Trill. All right, Trill is a float 76 million, 1.32 billion market cap biotech. Uh, January 29th, why the market is so bullish about Trillium Therapeutics. That was Motley Fool. It's immuno-oncology company, develops therapies, treatment of cancer. This has made a tremendous run. January, $1, 7, bounce to 3, bounce to 9, bounce to 7, bounce to 16, had a gap down, then we bounced up. This went back and forth, that line, found 12, went up to 20, and then really dropped off to this 12 level again, then we're up to 15. This has been on a tremendous run here. Tremendous run. Big wedge here, broadening wedge, back and forth. What you see now is this 12 line is very important. This is held many times pretty much. See this line? I mean, we've gone through it a little bit, went to 11. You can see the back and forth channel now. You have a big head. These are shoulders. It's going back and forth. I think they're playing line the lines, the algos. So right now we're oversold too. We're at 24, very good. I think we can get up towards 13. You have 2 good candles now after 8 red candles. We can get to 13. Bounce through 16 again. So at least look for 16. I think we can get there. And then, this 12's got to hold. Pretty simple on this one. If we hold 12, it's a great sign. We're basing here, and then we're going to go up higher. Eventually, maybe back to 20 at some point. So that's the move on that right now on Trill. All right, here's JAN, Jen. 1 million float, very low float, 23 million market cap. Jan 1 price is 6 million common stock offering. They did an offering. Treatment of severe pain. What was the offering price on this? Let's look. Common share stock price is 10.50 per share. So, this stock ran up. And you can see back here, look at this 8 line. This 8 line touched, 1, 2, I can count probably 20 times. It's 8 to 2, back and forth, and it finally exploded. This thing really exploded. Was there news in this? I didn't even see news. Anyone list news? Because FinViz doesn't show anything. But look back here. This one's a 6. This one is high as 31 and came all the way back. The offering. Now, what's it going to do now? We're coming down a little bit here. The volume's decreasing. If we don't hold 8, that is a big, big line here. It's support now. If we don't hold 8, back into this channel we go, like we've been for 4 years plus. So it's an important line. We'll see if we do this and bounce. If we come through, this might get a 6 even. Maybe it'll bounce. But once you're in here, then you got to break that 8 again, which has been extremely tough on this stock. So you have a few higher lines now. It's very, once you get over in these big moves, you're like, there's big range here. This is 8 to 30. They could release something tomorrow like news, and this thing shoots right up because it's a low float. It's only 1 million float, so we'll see what happens here. We're in decision. We're gonna bounce. We're gonna drift, and 8's a key level right now. Now, if tomorrow even we go up, I would look for, this should easily get back to 10, 12 because it's a low float. That's possible in this. All right, so that's Jan. That's a set of stocks. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Hit the like button. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. Trade Ideas is a link in my YouTube right here. And subscribe to YouTube. Smash the like button. I appreciate everyone subscribing and hitting the like button. It's really helping the algos. All right, that's it. Peace.